Mm, Hello everyone, welcome to Partwise, and this is the unboxing of Hacktober Fest 2020 package. So this arrived in the mail, so you guys can see that. So let's open it up. Here we have it. Okay, so this is the package that we have. Let's have a look at it. Oh, it's really fixed here. Yeah. So let's just first look at the shirt, shall we? Okay, so this is the shirt that we have. Oh, it looks stunning. Let's just put this at the side and look what do we have here. Is there anything left? No, that's it. So this was the packaging of this year's package. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, so this is just sort of a pamphlet. There's nothing in it, and this is from Intel. Yeah, Intel is sponsoring this one as mentioned earlier. I hope you guys can see this. Yeah, so this is what it's written. So let's see at the stickers. What sort of stickers do we have here? Yeah, okay, so we have this GitHub sticker right here. Yeah. We have this from JetBrains. Yeah, JetBrains sponsored this one as well. Okay, so this one looks like an MLH one, but this is actually from race.dev. Just a second. Yeah, so this is from CockroachDB, and this is the Hacktober Fest 2020 logo. Man, the quality isn't so much high. Previous year's quality was quite better than this one. Anyhow, this is the new logo, and this is from DigitalOcean, as the entire Hacktober Fest is done by them and sponsored by them as well. Okay, so we have this one from Intel. Wow, this is a high quality one. And we have one from Vonage. Well, I don't know about this one, which company is it or something. Anyhow, this is a cool sticker, and this is the second. Yeah, this is the Hacktober Fest 2020 logo, but this contains around $100 worth of credits for the DigitalOcean. So props to that. That's the second. Yeah, another one we have is Circle CI, and we have another DigitalOcean one. Yeah. And this one is from and this is from Indeed.com, and this is from Mattermost, and another Vonage sticker, and as usual this is the one that I like the most. In the previous years there used to be more stickers from Dev, but still, what can we say? Okay, so let's just look at the shirt. Okay, so this is the shirt. This one is in small size. It fits me well, and I love this about this shirt. and the quality is great as well. It's made by District. The Microsoft shirt was also made by District as well. So let's just have a look at the previous year's shirt. This was the previous year's package, and this was the shirt that we had last year. Yeah, the logo looks cool and everything, but the quality of this year's shirt is better. And you can see this is also from District. Yeah, this is how it looks side by side. Okay, so guys, that was about it. Hope you guys liked it, and do subscribe for more videos like it. I'll also be posting some coding tutorials and how you can participate in these Hacktoberfest and how you can make the most out of open source. So see you guys around.